doctor, nurse, astronaut, or pilot. It's easy to express our aspiration as children. As adults, we are required to realize these wish. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Alia Ulaya Faro Azaro. You can call me Alia. This year I am no longer a child because now I am 20 years old. I used to aspire to be a doctor but God had other plans. And maybe that's the most beautiful gift from God for me. Now I am a biology student at Maulana Malik Ibrahim State Islamic University, Malang. In the future, I want to be a researcher because I have a high curiosity about things, and I think it's be fun. The educational path that must be taken to become a researcher is to complete education from undergraduate, master, and doctoral level. In biology, Maulana Malik Ibrahim State Islamic University Malang has 4 courses, and I chose zoology. And to become a researcher, the course that I must focus on for the time being are animal psychology and genetics. After graduate from the undergraduate program and to support my career, I can take part in internship and research program at research institute, and then can work and look for scholarship while continuing my master degree. The entry-level position for a researcher is usually a research assistant or junior researcher. This entry-level position is intended for recent undergraduate or who want to start a career in research. In this position, individuals work under the guidance of a principal investigator and assist with various stages of the research process. After starting a career as a research assistant or junior researcher, a common next step in career development is to pursue a master or doctoral degree. This degree opens up opportunity to become associate researcher, principal investigator, or project leader. Long-term success in the research profession is characterized by significant scientific contribution, a strong academic reputation, and influence on policy, technology, and public life. Successful researchers typically have a track record of publishing in reputable journals, obtaining grants from national or international institutions, leading major projects, and participants in cross-disciplinary or global collaboration.
Zani, technically I'm an epidemiologist, which means that I study diseases, and the disease that I've studied for longest is HIV, AIDS, sexually transmitted infections. So I spend a lot of time in bars and brothels, shooting galleries, gay clubs, places like that, and that's led me to take an interest in other linked subjects, one of which is corruption. So I'm now working on sex, drugs and corruption, and all of those things come together very nicely in a marvellous and very under-celebrated country called Indonesia. So I've been spending a lot of time there as well. First I thought, oh God, not another thing I have to say no to. But Full Circle's a very persuasive organisation, and you persuade, I think, I'm guessing you did a little bit of research, because like, how are we going to get this one in? Well, good booze, good food, good company, and that was how you sold it, and I was like, I'm in, why not? So I don't think only about sex. For the last couple of years, I've mostly been telling lies. I've been traveling around the outer islands of Indonesia. I covered about 42,000 kilometers, mostly on cargo ships. And I really needed people to like me because I was mostly going to places with no hotels, so I needed my fellow passengers to ask me home to stay. Now, the unemployed, happily single, ecstatically childless, atheist truth of me doesn't go down that well in rural Indonesia. So I made up a long-suffering husband who was sitting in Jakarta and had a job at the ministry, and when it came to why no kids, I'd raise my eyes to the Catholic God I don't believe in and say, you'll have to ask the Creator. And then from the women, aduh gimana sih? We'll have to sort that out. I've got a cousin who's got a special treatment. 3 women in our village, old ladies like you, they got pregnant after his special treatment.
My strong personal motivation to become a researcher stems from curiosity and to solve problems that benefit society. To stay on track, I am committed to continuing to learn, keep up with the latest research development, build professional network, and maintain discipline at every stage of the research process. I am passionate about continuing to develop academic and personal in order to make a real contribution to my field, as well as to make my family and people around me proud. And I am very grateful to the lecturer who always with me so that I can understand the material explained. And thank you to my friend and partner who have accompanied me so far.